Welcome. Today, we'll be focusing on how to unlike multiple reels you've liked on Instagram using a PC with the latest updates. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open your Instagram account on your PC to access your profile and activities. Next, navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the More icon or the three dots to reveal additional options. Click on Your Activity from the menu to view a summary of your interactions on Instagram. Within the Interactions section and specifically the Likes section, locate the reels you have liked and click on Select to proceed. Select the reels you wish to unlike by checking the boxes next to each reel. Once you have made your selections, tap on Unlike and confirm the action to remove your like from those reels. By following these simple steps, you can effectively manage and unlike multiple reels you've liked on Instagram using your PC. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial on how to unlike multiple reels on Instagram via PC. Implement these steps to maintain control over your interactions and likes on the platform. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides and tutorials on optimizing your social media experience. Stay connected for additional tips on enhancing your interactions on Instagram.